Alright guys, I'm going to show you right quick how I set this up. I figured out how to turn the brake on and off on this thing and all kinds of other stuff. But basically I'm just going to show you right quick how to make sure your motors sync up properly. You can see how I've pulled the wires out down here just for easy access. I've unplugged everything from the receiver. We're just going to work with the bare essentials just for this little deal. I will move my throttle stick to half throttle. I'm going to turn on the transmitter. Now where we're at in here is I have the port side motor hooked up from the battery and the port side ESC to the receiver. I've only unplugged the power wire to the starboard motor. That's all that's necessary. You don't have to worry about pulling out both motors. So let me set you down right quick so I can do this. Hopefully you can kind of see what's going on. I'm going to hook up the battery. Two beeps, drop to 0. Confirmation beep. There it goes. No delay, no brake. If you want to brake, leave it at half throttle until the little music plays. At 1 beep, drop it to 0. It'll give you a couple confirmation beeps. You move it back up to half throttle. It's going to beep once, drop it back down, and it should clear itself out. And then every time you kill the throttle, the prop should stop dead on. So if I can unplug it right now, turn everything back off, plug in my starboard motor, which I set up earlier. Plug everything in. My throttles are at 0. They both all chirping at the same time, and they start at the same time. I'm barely hitting the throttle, just as light as I can. Oh, there it goes. One side just barely synced up, but that's just barely hitting the throttle. I go up just a little bit and the other one sinks right up. But it's indistinguishable between the two, and I get more of a difference out of my E-flite P38 with BP motors, BP ESCs, which I think these are pretty similar too. So hopefully this little video has helped anybody out. It'll get them closer than what it was before. I'm using, when I'd get that one to turn, it used to be the port one that did it. Now it's the starboard side that does it, but I mean, you can see when I bump that throttle, they both almost always hit at the same time. So I hope this helps y'all out. Thanks for watching.